Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can supercharge your personal productivity using Notion. First up, we're going to create a new page. This will act as your central hub for all things productivity. Look for the plus new page button on the left-hand panel, click it, name your new page, and voila, your productivity hub is ready. This is important because it keeps all your productivity tools in one place, making them easier to access and manage. Now that we've done that, let's add some blocks. Blocks are the heart of Notion and can be anything from text, images, tasks, and so much more. Click on the page and type /. This will open a list of all available blocks. For productivity, let's start with a simple to-do list. Type /to-do, hit enter, and start populating your list. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of your tasks, making it easier to track your progress. Next up, we're going to link your tasks to a calendar. This will help you visualize your deadlines and manage your time effectively. Click on the page and type /calendar, hit enter, and a new calendar will appear. Now, click on a date and type the name of a task from your to-do list. This is critical because it gives you a clear overview of when tasks are due and helps avoid procrastination. The reason we do this is to ensure we're not just listing tasks, but also planning when and how to execute them. This way, you're in control of your time and productivity. Let me explain why this matters. By integrating your tasks with a calendar, you're essentially setting up a system that allows you to track your productivity over time. This will help you identify patterns, understand your peak productivity times, and make necessary adjustments. Finally, we're going to use templates. Notion has a wide range of templates you can use to streamline your workflows. Click on the 3 dots in the right-hand corner, select Templates, and choose a template that suits your needs. This is a game changer as it saves time and ensures consistency in your workflow. And there we have it. You've just set up your personal productivity system in Notion. Remember, the key to productivity is consistency, so make sure you update and review your Notion page regularly. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a more productive you.